How to be able to borrow from Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you how to be able to borrow from Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Once you are here, make sure you tap on the profile icon that appears at the top right corner of the screen. This is the Cash App profile section, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, make sure you scroll down. Continue scrolling down until you come to the bottom of the page. Once you are there, make sure you tap on the Support option. Kindly wait for the page to finish loading. This is the Cash App support page. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to get support on issues you face on the app. From there, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section of the page and then tap on this option here named Borrow. This is the Cash App Borrow page, where you will see sections that are related to the Borrow feature. After that, scroll down and tap on this option here. As you can see on this page, Cash App Borrow is not currently available to all U.S. residents, and eligibility depends on several important factors that Cash App uses to determine whether a customer can access this feature, including the state of residence, since Cash App Borrow is only supported in certain U.S. states, the level and consistency of Cash App usage, such as regularly sending, receiving, and maintaining transactions on the account, and whether direct deposit is enabled on the Cash App account, as users with active direct deposits are more likely to qualify. Even if Cash App Borrow is not available to you at the moment, this does not mean you will never have access, because Cash App is continuously expanding the Borrow feature to more customers over time. And once you become eligible, Cash App will notify you directly within the app, although they are unable to provide a specific time frame for when Borrow may become available. You can also directly contact the Cash App support team and ask them to assist you in getting the Borrow feature. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to be able to borrow from Cash App.